Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Moto G77. First of all, turn on or turn off Bluetooth. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on connected device, click on connection preferences, click on Bluetooth. Now here you will see Bluetooth button, and if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on Bluetooth from your phone, and if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off Bluetooth from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps, click on all apps, click on three dots more option, click on show system apps. Now search Bluetooth app. Now click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Bluetooth will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off power saving. Open setting, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on battery saver, and turn off this button. After turning on this button, turn off power saving from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset mobile network setting, and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset Bluetooth setting. Open setting, scroll down, again click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now click on reset. After click on reset, Bluetooth setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.